Hi guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. Today's video is another addition in my Planning for 2020 series. If you are new to the channel and unfamiliar with the series, I will have it linked in the description box for you to check out. But basically, it's a series of videos with my tips and tricks on getting started in the planner community, reassessing your planner for 2020. So I've uploaded videos so far from choosing the right planner for you to determining your writing style, which I think are very crucial in determining your layout and what planner you should be using. Which brings me to today's video, and I'm going to be sharing and talking about the variety of planners that I have used this year. But before I get into that, I wanted to formally announce the winner of the Clever Fox planner giveaway. And her name is Janet, so congrats Janet. I already contacted her, I have her address. This is going in the mail, and Janet, you will receive it sometime next week. And if you guys entered both the Plum paper and the Happy Planner giveaways, there's still time to enter, but the giveaway does end on Sunday the 17th, and I will be announcing all 4 winners in Monday's video. So there will be a Plum paper winner and 3 Happy Planner winners. So there will be one for the mini, the half sheet, and the classic. So if you guys have not entered those giveaways, have not checked out those videos, I will have them linked for you guys to check out in the description box and enter. I do have specific rules on the giveaways in each of those videos, so check in the description box for those. But congrats again to Janet for the Clever Fox, for winning the Clever Fox planner, and may the odds forever be in your favor for those that have entered the Plum paper and Happy Planner giveaways, I should say, and those winners will be announced in Monday's video on the 18th. So let's talk planners that I used this year. I was good for January through June. For the first half of the year, I was great. I decided that I wanted to use a bullet journal, and I was so tied to this thing. This is a bullet journal, Astrology 365, so it's meant for you to use the whole year. This is pretty darn bulky, as you can see. I did go ahead and put patches on the front. A lot of these patches are from Hobby Lobby. This is Hobby Lobby. This one, and this one. This is actually from Paper Source. This was a Beyonce sticker I received in Happy Mail, and this is a Fox and Pip bow. So I love the cover, and I love how this looks on my shelf. I would love to add another Astrology into my planner lineup, and I love this over all the other well, this is a grid notebook, it's not dot grid, but I love this one over all of the other bullet journals that I have tried because I love the soft cover and I love how thin the pages are. So I have done a flip of this, I've done plan with me's in this. I love this thing. So I used this from January to June, and I even added a little note section in the back. So in the beginning of the year, everything was great. I actually started using this the week of December 10th. I didn't want to wait anymore, and I was kind of doing like a Hobonichi style where you have the week over here and then like a running to-do list on the other side. And then when January started, I started putting in these little tip-ins, and just so I could see my week at a glance, and I was putting in monthly goals, and then I started doing daily pages. So I did that. This is actually one of my favorite spreads, but I did that for most of January, and then I've done some hourly spreads inside of here. I decorated each month. And then I put in a month on 2 pages. I believe this is an Annie Plans printables, and I was doing February goals, what I accomplished, and then March, and so on and so forth. This was basically a catch-all. It did not really have my finance stuff inside of here, but my schedule, what I was doing for the day. I definitely did some journaling in here. I'll show you a huge portion of journaling that I did, which was WrestleMania. So I do have a completely separate WrestleMania planner that I created, a mini happy planner. But this, I just always loved doing this in my planners, and it was just a lot of fun. So I journaled all about that within these pages in April. So I had journaling in here. I felt free to just do whatever I wanted, and that's why I loved the bullet journal style. And this is a B6 if you guys were interested in the specific size, but this started to get really heavy. It just was, after a certain point, I wasn't even planning inside of here. I was just, and then I just had like a lot of notes, and this is how much paper I had left over about this month. So I would say about this much. I would say about a month's worth of paper left. And then I just have some pictures in the back, and that was that. So this is what I used primarily for most of the year. Then after June, I wanted something different. I tried to move into a mini happy planner. All of the systems that I tried, I literally took apart. So I tried to move into a mini happy planner. I also tried to move into like an A5 Stalogy. I actually have the cover from that. So this was my A5 Stalogy cover. If you guys are interested in these stickers, they're from Gold Mine & Cocoa. So I tried that. It didn't work. And I didn't want to do the bullet journal anymore because I wanted to be able to move things around. So then I tried to hijack this happy planner cover. This was actually a classic size cover that I cut down, and I'm actually turning this into my content planner. So you guys will see more details on that. But this is like, I had A5 stuff inside of here versus half letters. It's all different. So this, I was doing bullet journal style stuff, and it was, oh my gosh, it didn't work. So that's what I moved into the mini. I wanted something to bring on the go, and I thought that that would work. And then I also had my Faith planner in the lineup. I was kind of sort of using that. I tried another dot grid notebook. It didn't work out. And then I ended up in my classic. I wanted to try the vertical hourly. I also tried to use Michael's Recollections planner that I found on clearance. I was going to redate it and use it for just a work planner, and then I was just absolutely losing my mind. Like, what are you doing, Lakia? What are you doing? Take a step back. And what is it that you want in a planner? And that is what brings me to what I am using now, which kind of brings me back to where I was in the middle of the year with this half letter size. This is the half letter ARC system. The cover is from Staples. The discs are Martha Stewart, also from Staples. And I have this divided into 5 sections. The dashboards are from Staples. I'll be sharing a full setup. This is not completely set up yet. I'm still playing around with it, but I think that now is a great time to iron out what it is that you want in a planner and to really write down what it is that you want in a planner. So I just have daily lists, goals, projects, and notes. And my daily is just so I can keep track of everything going on. My lists are random things I have going on. So I have to-do lists in here. I had shows I wanted to catch up on. I have my Thanksgiving dinner menu in here, what I need to buy. And then my goals are my goals. My projects are between the YouTube stuff that I'm working on and my my book that I'm working on, and did I say YouTube? Yeah, and freelance stuff that I do. So that's in there. And then notes is just miscellaneous. And on the bottom of each of these dividers, if you guys are wondering, this is from It's a Jewel Box. So that's all that. And then these stickers over here are cloth and paper. And don't worry, none of that is important information. That's just church stuff right there on that paper. So it is what it is. So I also have this little mark here, this Today bookmark. And all of the tabs are from the Planner Society all the labels and the dividers are also from Staples. So I do want to jazz this up a little bit more, add a little bit more of a decorative touch. Nothing too major. I just like these little affirmations that I have at the bottom to keep your head up. No is not always negative. Never give up on your dreams. And what's the other one here? Protect your energy. And of course the one in the beginning, I am more than enough. I have added some deco in here. I do plan on adding some things over here. I do plan on adding in like a morning routine, but this planner is going to be set up quarterly. So come January, I'm just going to have a few months in at a time so I can specifically focus on that, and then I'll rotate it out. I may end up getting another cover, maybe not this cover, but like a poly cover. They do have one like this where I can transfer things over and just have one cohesive 2020 planner and continue to use this cover even in 2021 if this is the size that I'm rocking with. But I really do love this size, and my planner journey this year has been insane, but I feel happy in this size. And I did not dislike my classic size Happy Planner. It just wasn't what I needed to be able to bring on the go. So this I throw in my bag. I tried bringing my classic Happy Planner with me, y'all. I tried. It is so big and so bulky, and I had a hardcover on it too, so it just wasn't working. But that's a snapshot of the planners that I used, and I will have my planner lineup video from January that I posted, links in the description box for you guys to check out as well. But that wraps it up for this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments section below. I would love to hear from you guys. How many planners have you used this year? How many planners? I would love to know. I think I've used a total of, from the Stalogy to the A5, from the B6 Stalogy to the A5 Stalogy to the first half letter that I used to the dot grid that I used to the mini that I used. I tried 2 mini setups. I think I went to another. I know I used the classic, and now I'm in the. I think I used about 8 or 9 different planners. Well, try to use 8 or 9 different planners, but that's it. That's what I tried, and I'm back in this size. So it's, when you compare it to the B6 Stalogy, it's not. It's a bit of an upgrade, but it's not too crazy. It's like the happy medium between not too small of a B6 and not too big as a classic. So, and it's not as small as a mini. So in comparison, here's the mini and here's the half letter size. So I really, really like this, and I'll be rocking out with this in the new year. And I'll be doing a full setup video once I get my inserts and everything. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box. And I will have links to the entire planning for 2020 series, as well as related videos. And of course, the links to my blog and Instagram. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. If you guys, again, are not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. I have been doing giveaways left and right, but most importantly, I just wanted to give back to my Chaotic Critic fam, which is you guys. So I thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!